Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. How installing a car equalizer can transform your audio experience. Does a car equalizer make a difference in sound quality? Many car enthusiasts and music lovers swear by the impact of a good equalizer on their audio experience while driving. But is it worth the hype? Let's dive into the world of car audio systems to uncover the truth behind the influence of a car equalizer on sound quality. Car equalizers are designed to fine-tune the frequency response of your audio system, allowing you to adjust different bands of frequencies to suit your preferences. By manipulating bass, mid-range and treble frequencies, an equalizer can potentially enhance the clarity, balance and overall quality of sound in your vehicle. In this video, we will explore the functionality of car equalizers, their potential benefits, and whether investing in one can truly elevate your in-car audio experience. Stay tuned as we unravel the mysteries of car audio customization and discover if a car equalizer is the missing piece to achieving optimal sound quality on the road. Understanding car equalizers. Car equalizers play a crucial role in shaping the audio quality of your vehicle's sound system. Whether you're a music enthusiast or someone who appreciates clear sound while driving, understanding how car equalizers work is essential for optimizing your listening experience. What is a car equalizer? A car equalizer, also known as an EQ, is a device that allows you to adjust the frequency response of your audio system. It functions by dividing the audio spectrum into different frequency bands, which can then be boosted or attenuated to fine-tune the sound output. Essentially, a car equalizer enables you to customize the audio profile according to your preferences, compensating for any deficiencies in the acoustics of your car or the audio source. Types of car equalizers. Graphic equalizers. These are the most common type of car equalizers that provide sliders or knobs to adjust the levels of specific frequency bands. Graphic equalizers offer a visual representation of the frequency response, allowing for precise adjustments to bass, mid-range, and treble frequencies. Parametric equalizers. Unlike graphic equalizers, parametric equalizers offer more control over the shape of the frequency response curve. They allow users to adjust not only the level, but also the bandwidth and center frequency of each band, providing greater flexibility in sculpting the sound. Digital signal processors, DSPs. DSPs have become increasingly popular in modern car audio systems due to their advanced signal processing capabilities. These digital equalizers offer a wide range of tuning options, including time alignment, crossover settings, and room correction to achieve optimal sound quality in a vehicle environment. Understanding the different types of car equalizers and how they function empowers you to enhance your listening experience on the road. Whether you prefer a more hands-on approach with a graphic equalizer or seek the precision of a parametric equalizer or DSP, choosing the right equalizer for your car audio system can make a significant difference in sound quality. Impact on sound quality. Car equalizers play a crucial role in enhancing sound quality by fine-tuning audio frequencies to optimize the audio output. By adjusting specific frequencies, a car equalizer can significantly improve the overall audio experience. Here's how it can impact sound quality. Fine-tuning audio frequencies. Car equalizers allow users to adjust individual frequency bands, ranging from bass to treble, enabling more precise control over the audio output. By customizing these frequencies, listeners can enhance different aspects of the sound to suit their preferences. This fine-tuning capability ensures that each musical element is heard clearly, contributing to a richer and more immersive listening experience. Customizing the listening experience. One of the key benefits of a car equalizer is the ability to customize the listening experience based on personal preferences. Whether you enjoy deep bass for electronic music or crisp highs for classical melodies, a car equalizer lets you tailor the audio settings to match your favorite genres. This level of customization ensures that every track sounds exactly the way you want it to, making each drive more enjoyable and engaging. Eliminating distortion and enhancing clarity. Distortions in audio can often detract from the listening experience, reducing clarity and overall sound quality. A car equalizer helps eliminate these distortions by balancing the audio across the frequency spectrum. By adjusting the equalizer settings, users can reduce unwanted noise, improve clarity, and achieve a more balanced sound output. This enhanced clarity ensures that every note and beat is heard with precision, creating a more immersive audio experience while driving. Installing and configuring a car equalizer. Picture this: you're cruising down the highway, the sun shining, the wind in your hair, and your favorite tunes playing. But wait, something's missing. Your car's audio system could use a boost. And that's where a car equalizer comes into play. Let's delve into how to install and configure a car equalizer to elevate your driving sound experience. Placement considerations. When it comes to installing a car equalizer, placement is key. To optimize sound adjustment, consider mounting the equalizer within arm's reach for convenient tweaking while on the go. The dashboard or center console are popular choices for easier access and visibility. Ensure it's securely installed to prevent rattling or interference while driving. As we wrap up the first part of our series, we've gained insight into the transformative power of car equalizers in elevating your audio experience. Understanding the mechanics of equalization is key to unlocking the full potential of your audio system. Join us in Part 2, where we'll explore practical tips and techniques for installing and optimizing your car equalizer to achieve unparalleled sound quality. Thank you for joining us, and get ready to embark on a journey towards audio perfection. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.